number 5, that is ocean energy. Subject science of standard 10th. Now, there are different types of varieties of ways by virtue of which we can extract the energy of ocean. We do know very well that ocean is a big source of energy, right? But the prominent ways by virtue of which we can exploit the energy of ocean are tidal energy, wave energy, and ocean thermal energy. Let us take all of them one by one. So what is tidal energy? Due to the gravitational pull of mainly the moon on the spinning earth, the level of water in the sea rises and falls. सन के और मून के ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स के कारण, ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन के कारण सन ये जो अपने सागर में पानी है वो कभी उबार आता है, कभी नीचे जाता है, ज्वार भाटा जिसे हम लोग हिंदी में बोलते हैं. सो what we do, we construct a dam across narrow opening of the sea. मानो कि कैसा कोई narrow opening है, वहां पर पानी घुस के जा रहा है अंदर, जैसे मतलब ज्वार आता है, भाट आता है, ठीक है. तो ज्वार के समय वो पानी अंदर जाता है और जैसे भाट आएगा मतलब कि फूल आएगा तो वो पानी बाहर निकलेगा थ्रू दिस डैम, और बीच में वो टरबाइन लगा रहते हैं. टरबाइन कन्वर्ट्स टाइडल एनर्जी इनटू इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. लेट अस सी. सबसे पहले देखते हैं स्प्रिंग टाइड्स. तो स्प्रिंग टाइड में क्या होता है, सन एंड मून एंड अर्थ बोथ थ्री ऑफ देम आर in common line. Moon may be in between or moon may be in the behind of the earth, right? So maximum gravitational force, because they are in cumulative effect of each other, so maximum effect of gravitation will be there and the tide will be maximum in height, right? Whereas दूसरी होती है nip tide. In case of the nip tide, sun, earth and moon either on upside or on the downside, they are making a perpendicular, they are making almost L section. So वहां पर हाई टाइड ऊपर होती है और लो टाइड साइड्स में आती है, ठीक है. सो दिस आर निप टाइड. ये उतनी हाई नहीं होती है जितनी मतलब कि स्प्रिंग टाइड्स होती है, लेकिन पानी में उतार चढ़ाव जरूर आता है. सो दिस इज द एग्जाम्पल, दिस इज द GIF ऑफ हाई टाइड एंड लो टाइड. यहाँ पर हालांकि ये फास्ट मतलब कि मोशन में दिखाया गया है तो काफ़ी फटाफट जाता है, फटाफट नीचे आता है. एक्चुअली वो मतलब कि 10-10, 12-12 घंटे का होता है. पानी आएगा, देखो कितना पानी में पानी का लेवल है वो ऊपर नीचे होता है. अब इतनी ताकत, जरा इमेजिन कीजिए व्हाट द अमाउंट ऑफ एनर्जी रिक्वायर्ड टू फिल अप सच अ नैरो ओपनिंग विद वाटर. हाउ टू एक्सप्लोर दिस वाटर एनर्जी, राइट? So there are varieties of way. For example, हम ऐसा big बड़ा turbine लगा देते हैं in between, then what will happen? This turbine will rotate while incoming way of the water and while outgoing way of the water. So every time this turbine will try to rotate, and while rotating, this tidal energy will be converted into rotational energy of a turbine, and rotational energy of a turbine will lead to movement or rotation of a generator, and generator will produce electricity. So this is one of the way to exploit, to harness the tidal energy of ocean. Now let us take one more example, that is wave energy. Kinetic energy of huge waves near seashore is used, and the waves are generated by strong winds blowing across the sea, and energy would be viable proposition only where waves are very strong. Now let us understand these three sentences. जहां पर बड़ी बड़ी मानो की वेव्स आती है ऐसे, ठीक है ना, तो ऐसी बड़ी बड़ी वेव्स, सोचो कितनी एनर्जी होगी उस वेव्स में. वो पहाड़ जैसे अगर मानो कि सीशोर पे शिलाएं हैं, पत्थर हैं, उनको भी वो तोड़ देती है. तो इतनी बड़ी ताकत है, तो उसको कैसे एक्सप्लोइट करेंगे? तो उसको एक्सप्लोइट करने के लिए वेराइटीज ऑफ वेज हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल, वो जब आती है तो कोई ऐसा हम लोग मैकेनिज्म रख देते हैं कि वो अप डाउन फ्लोटिंग मैकेनिज्म, एंड while doing so it will rotate the turbine underneath, and this turbine will lead to rotation of the generator, and generator will produce electricity. This may be the different way to produce the electricity, right? This is also using same wave energy. See, this is also a kind of methodology to produce electricity from the movement of water, right? So we may have different types of ways for production of electricity. Now let us take another type of energy, that is ocean thermal energy. The name itself indicates thermo means temperature. Water at the surface of sea or ocean is heated by the sun, right? While the water deep under the sun is relatively cold, because the heat takes time to reach up to the low level of the sun. So this difference in temperature is exploited to obtain energy if the temperature difference between the lower level of the ocean and upper level of the ocean, that is surface of the ocean, is more than 20 degrees centigrade, right? This is economically viable. Now the warm surface of water is used to boil a volatile liquid like ammonia. You know very well that ammonia boils quickly even at the low temperature. And the lower water surface is used to cool that ammonia, and this temperature difference, heating and cooling, is utilized for the movement of the turbine, and this turbine will lead to the rotation of the generator, and this generator will produce electrical energy. This is the working principle. From point number 1, warm seawater enters. Say for example, it is of 25 degrees centigrade, right? So it evaporates the ammonia. Now the ammonia will go up. It will move the turbine, it will rotate the turbine, right? And turbine will rotate generator, and generator will produce electricity. After rotating the turbine, this ammonia will go to the condenser. Now the condenser is placed at underneath, right? It is in the colder section, so cold water will just cool down the ammonia, and this ammonia then through the pump, ammonia pump means a pump which is used to move the ammonia. Now this ammonia pump will move again this water towards the upward side where we have already warm water. This warm water will again heat up the ammonia, boil ammonia, and this now ammonia gas will again go to the turbine, and turbine will start rotating. So now what do we understand? We understood that ammonia is heated or boiled at the upper side after delivering its energy in rotational motion of the turbine. It will go towards the downward side to again cool through the pump. After cooling, it will again reach to the upper section where it will be again heated. This cycle will continue. These are the different ways by virtue of which we can exploit the energy, we can harness the energy from the sun. But it is very clear that there are, even when there are hundreds of different ways for harnessing the energy of ocean, but yet we may say the energy potential from the sea is quite large, just like this fatty man. But efficient commercial exploitation is very difficult. इसको बोलेंगे बाबा तुम इस 20 किलो को 5वें महल्ले पे 5th फ्लोर पे लेके जाओ, ताकत बहुत है इसके पास जरा, लेकिन क्या बोलेगा भाई यार वेरी सॉरी मैं थक जाऊंगा, मेरे पास इतनी एनर्जी नहीं है। अरे भैया एनर्जी तो है लेकिन राइट वे में एक्सप्लोइट करना पॉसिबल नहीं है तेरे पास, राइट? आई होप यू वुड हैव अंडरस्टूड।